we're back. All right, y'all. This time we got Subway. We got their 6-inch The Great Garlic. That's the name of the sandwich. I believe it is number 7. Wait. 8. Nope, I think it's the number 9. Excuse me. Let me get it right. Number 9. It is chicken, 2 slices of bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and a garlic aioli sauce. So it looks like this. And we got it on just white bread. Plain white Italian bread. Bam! So we're about to give this a try. We got it toasted and everything. So we'll find out how good this is. Hold on. So far, all I taste is really crunchy bread. An onion. I don't taste any chicken or bacon. We gotta do that again. See that onion sticking out right there? That's why I tasted nothing but onion. That bacon on there is bomb. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm glad I got the garlic aioli on the side. It's very, very garlicky. So, note to self. Alright. So, Subway was giving out free sandwiches today. Free 6-inch to those that came between 10 and noon. They revamped their menu. They wanted everybody to try their new subs. So, we went. We got us some free food. So, this 6-inch, if you were paying for it, would cost $6.99. It's not bad. It's not bad. The other one I tried is better. So, there's that. So how would I rate this? I would give this one a 7. I think it's good. But, I mean, it's not like great. It's not like a 10. So, 7. I think 7 is fair. Alright. Well, that's it for the 2-minute review, y'all. That's a wrap.